Welcome to another in a series in Jamaican patois called Talk Jamaican. Remember, get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com so you can even follow me better, but I do give you an overview in English of what I said. So remember to subscribe to this channel, share with your friends, and have a wonderful day. Hey, I can you there, you know? Lord master, me love the place can done. You see that van behind me? A safari. We are go pan to go look pan some animal, you know. Me say we go pan safari yesterday evening. And we see a whole heap of different animal. But me I tell you the one will make my heart leap. I was the elephant them, master. We turn up on one platform by the watering hole where all the animals then go drink their water. And we say, oh, we don't see no elephant. And somebody said they see one elephant up the road. And everybody over there look for the elephant. But guess what? The elephant a come from the other direction. When we turn around, we see one elephant in big can done. He's so big that his tusk reach the ground. We frightened, you see? But in what, although he's so big, he was quiet. We never hear him come. So, in go at the water and hole and start drink water and spew all over him. Rasta next minute we look. I want another dozen elephant come, baby, mama, poop everybody and then start playing at the water and hole. Problem was it kinda dark, so we never really get too much video of them, but we try share one video with you a little more. Master, but so the whole dozen of them drink water and play. And guess what? About 15 minutes later, we see one another 4 or 5 elephants a come. And when them a come, the other elephant, them left and walk away. So the tour guide tell we say that when one family done, them leave them more disciplined than we so that the next family come can get the water hole. Me say, boy, me I learn something. You see the van there behind me want pick up, now want pick up one jeep. And it we use to do the safari. And we are living a tent. You want to hear the monkey them up and down pan with tent top around and play. But you have to keep your tent locked, you know, because if you're not lucky, then go in, they go thief your things. Not the people, the monkey them. In fact, right now, me I look pan some of them around up and down in the tree. And then I run up and down, them are swinging at the tree. I wait to look some food when we get breakfast. But boy, me I look forward to the safari this morning. Me say, boy, me love Kenya, you see, can't done. Me I come back. I was just telling you of my experience with a safari last night. We are at a tent camp in Kenya. And although it's a tent camp, it has all the comforts, running water, solar, lights, everything. Anyway, we did a mini safari yesterday evening and we were by a watering hole. And a huge elephant came. He was so big that his tusks almost touched the ground. Our guide said he was about 30 years old. But the interesting thing is, he played a bit and then he was joined by another dozen or so elephants. But the interesting thing is when they finished playing in the water hole, those other dozen, plus the one that was there before, they saw a group of about 4 or 5 coming and they left their watering hole and walked off. The guide tells us that's how they operate. Once they see another family coming, they leave so they can enjoy the watering hole. Isn't that really civilized behavior? Boy, I tell you, these animals are so wonderful. We have monkeys running all around our camp. If you leave your tent open, they steal your stuff. But right now, if you are lucky, you might see 1 or 2 behind me in the trees jumping up and down. I see them all over the place. And behind me is the vehicle in which we do our safari. So today we are going on a day safari. So I'll let you know what we see. Have a wonderful day.